The K9 Thunder is a 155mm 52 caliber self-propelled howitzer built for the Republic of Korea Armed Forces by Hanwha Taekwon, formerly known as Samsung Taekwon. It is designed to offer effective and deep fire support in all types of threats and also to give the artillery arm of the Republic of Korea Army a significant improvement in capability. It has a fast rate of fire at a long range, which built on a high mobility platform. The development program of this self-propelled howitzer began since 1989 and finished in 1998. Today, the K9 Thunder is one of South Korea's most popular artillery weapon systems available for trade in international markets. Before we move to the next scene, let's take a look at the specification of this successful howitzer. In terms of design, the K9 Thunder platform is made of all-welded steel armor protection material, with a maximum thickness of 19mm. The crew of this self-propelled howitzer consists of the commander, driver, gunner, assistant gunner, and loader. The driver is seated on the left side of the hull with the engine of his right, and the artillery gun system is placed on the right side of the turret near the back of the hull. The commander and the gunner are seated. A single entrance is positioned on the left side of the turret, and the crew can load ammunition through a large door in the hull's rear that opens to the right. However, the aspects that shine this artillery against its competitors is its incorporation between a modular azimuth position system, MAPS, an automatic fire control system, AFCS, a powered gun elevation or depression, and a turret traverse system. Furthermore, the hydropneumatic suspension system offers excellent ground clearance and agility on a variety of turrets. In regard to its armament, this howitzer has 155mm 52 caliber gun as its main weapon, which is capable of firing a burst rate of 3 rounds in less than 15 seconds and a maximum rate of fire of 6 to 8 rounds in a minute for 3 minutes. Sustained rate of fire is from 2 to 3 rounds a minute for 1 hour within K9, with total 48 projectiles, and their associated charges are carried for immediate use. The K9 is also designed to fit today's shoot and scoot tactical ideas, so the gun was especially made to be capable of having 18 kilometers maximum range on firing an M107 high explosive shell, 30 kilometers maximum range firing an M549, a 1HE rocket-assisted projectile with unicharge of 5 zones, and 40 kilometers range firing a K301 projectile with a modular charge of 6 zones. The information might be sent over a data digital radio link or over voice communications, with the projectiles are automatically loaded onto the ammunition tray and are ready to shoot. Interestingly, it can open fire within 30 seconds at standout position or within 60 seconds during movement. In addition, the K9 Thunder is also supplemented by a K10 automatic ammunition resupply vehicle built on the K9 platform, where each K10 supports 2 guns, which can carry 104 rounds of ammunition, with a fully tracked vehicle that follows the main artillery battery and can automatically transfer 12 rounds per minute through a conveyor belt. This avoids the crew exposure of the combat environment. For its engine and mobility, it is powered by an MTU MT881Ka 500 8-cylinder water-cooled diesel engine coupled to the Allison Atcox 1105A3 transmission, which produces a power output of 1,000 horsepower and has a power-to-weight ratio of 21.6 horsepower per ton. Meanwhile, the enhanced K9A1 variant's auxiliary power unit variant can provide up to 10.7 horsepower of additional power, and the propulsion system provides a top speed over 67 kilometers per hour with a cruising range of 360 kilometers. Moving on to the next scene, we will take a look at its performance and survivability. The K9 boasts excellent performance with a long shooting range for fire combat and a fast firing speed for real-time, also quick-focused firepower. It is a unit capable of quick displacement after shooting and has excellent maneuverability and survivability. This artillery also developed customized self-propelled howitzer that meets the requirements of various countries, as well as NATO standards, where its operational capability is excellent in a range of environments, from deserts to snowy fields, and it is being exported to overseas countries. Moreover, the Thunder can fire its first round within 30 seconds from the moment it first receives firing information from the Fire Direction Center in in-place situation. While moving, it can fire after 60 seconds, and after firing, the Thunder can quickly move away from its last position in anticipation of the enemy's counter-fire before it fires the next shot. In regards to its survivability, K9 protects the internal crew and onboard equipment against 155mm shell fragments, 14.5mm armor-piercing shells, and anti-personnel mines. Specifically, in NBC warfare situations, survivability is guaranteed with the onboard air purification system and gas masks for the crew. Talking about its operational history. This howitzer was in service in October 2003 and was evaluated by Spain at the military base located in Zaragoza. Moving on further, K9 was sent to Malaysia in 2004 to test its operation capability in tropical rainforest environment, but the Thunder saw its first combat during the bombardment of Yonpyeong on November 23, 2010. On August 18, 2017, a K9 operated by the 5th Artillery Brigade of the Republic of Korea Army was set ablaze during firing exercise, claiming 3 deaths and 4 wounds among crew members and instructors. Finally, the production and the delivery of the Thunder ended in June 2018, and in November 2020, the DAPA announced that entire howitzer delivered to the Republic of Korea Armed Forces is now in full operational capability, ending the K9 Thunder program for the South Korean military. For the last point, we will highlight some important aspects of the upgraded K9 Thunder. K9 Thunder has 2 improvement variants, including K9A1 and K9A2. In regard to the K9A1, this variant is equipped with improvements such as automatic fire control system, driver's night periscope, and auxiliary power system for enhanced efficiency. The improved K9A1 provides increased range, fast fire rate, and higher mobility during day and night times. Meanwhile, the other general versions also include the K9A2, an advanced variant of the K9 Howitzer, the UK Mobile Fire Platform program that is aimed at upgrading artillery capabilities of the British Army. It is expected to enhance the firing rate, automatic ammunition loading, and other capabilities of the artillery. The advanced variant is being tested by Hanwha Defense, also the Korean government-owned research and development institution, Agency for Defense Development. The proposed solution for the UK program will feature mine protection kits, unmanned turret, and composite rubber tracks. Hanwha's robotic K10 ammunition resupply vehicle will also be integrated to provide an automated resupply capability. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.